fucking blurry. Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel, Hello Sparkles. Hey, hi, hello if you're new here. My channel is about crafts and vlogging, anywhere from crafts with paper or resin to anything in between that I find cool or nifty or amazing, and of course always a little bit of Halloween in there. Today I just wanted to kind of jump on here and talk about things that have been a little bit going on and why I haven't been posting a whole lot, which I know I do this a lot, probably about once a year. Every year I've been just like, hi, I'm sad. But no, this is not really what's, I whatever, it's not what the problem is. There's just been a lot of conflict with everything happening, and I ended up having to put my shop on hold. Not that anybody was really buying anything anyway, but I put it on hold just in case things got a little crazy and for some reason people decided, hey, I like your things, let me buy them. Which is also maybe a bad idea now that I think about it like that, but either way, I had to put it on hold because of just things getting kind of a little bit crazy. I've got some stuff I'm dealing with, plus other things happening, and just trying to get everything balanced out has been kind of weird, to say the least, for the last couple months, just the last couple minutes, just those minutes. Me talking about it were really hard. That's not what I meant. But let's move on from that awkwardness. I just wanted to show you guys that I wanted to show you guys what I'm hoping, there we go, to put in my shop maybe mid-June, early July, somewhere in there, hopefully. I don't know, we'll see. I don't know what's gonna happen, but that's the hope, that's the dream, to reopen the shop in mid-June / early July. And I just wanted to go over some of the stuff that I might be putting in there because I really don't have much of a video to share with you guys, and I'm trying to stick with a weekly upload or every other weekly upload, trying to keep things regular on a regular scheduled program, but it's been a little difficult because I haven't really been crafting, and the little bit I have been crafting has been geared towards a friend's wedding, so it hasn't really been stuff that I wanted to share because while it's cool, it's not my stuff, and I didn't ask for permission. I'm sure she'd be fine with it, but it's also, I was one-track mind, get this done, this needs to be done, so then I didn't film. You see where I'm going there? Anyway, let me show you what I've been working on. I will also do like a close-up view of everything and what's going on. Show a close-up view of all the things that I've been making, which is very, very little. But I figure, hey, this is better than nothing. You see my face, you see the things, we have a little chit-chat, we end the show, you're happy, I'm happy, I guess. We'll go with that. So, anyway, I almost threw that in my face. Oops. So these first things that I just wanted to show are these cute little trinket jewelry dishes things. You take your ring off. I can do this one-handed, which I hope I do without dropping it. And you put it on the moon. Put it on the moon. And I have to hold it real close to my face because, oh yeah, this is a new lens manual, so I feel like I'm sitting way far back. So you put the ring on the moon, so it's a little jewelry trinket dish. You put your bracelet on there. I don't have a bracelet with me, which I don't know why I still didn't get a bracelet. This is maybe my 4th time recording this. I don't know. Shh, we won't tell anybody. Anyway, you do that. They are probably all going to be moons. I did make a couple heart ones, or no, actually I think I only made one heart one. And I didn't really like how my rings set on there. Like, it clicked in, but also if anybody had smaller hands than me, which millions of people do, their rings might not have fit on that heart. And I did like the idea of them, but I don't think they would work out. And these, you know, obviously my ring goes all the way down, so if you're smaller, it's going to sit a little higher up, and so on and so forth. Plus, you can put the bracelets around there. you know, and it's just cute. I thought that was just adorable. And then they'll come in, I think I'm going to do all of them clear bases with moon and stars, and then like, what is it called? I think it's iridescent glitter. I think that's what's in there. I'm not real sure. I'm not 100% on this stuff because names always escape me when I need them. Anyway, so there'll be clear bases with a colorful moon. And right now I only had these two made. I've got other couple other that I had that were just prototypes but they didn't come out real well. So these are going to go in the shop for sure. These two colors right here, black and mint, teal. It's like a teal minty color. It's really hard to tell because on camera it's one color and in person it's another. So there's those. So trinket dishes are coming. I think they will all be clear for now. I have no idea how much those are going to cost right now because I have to figure out how I'm going to ship them, how much it costs to ship them, and so on and so forth. Then the next things are, I'm going to be doing a release called Candy. Candy Keychains. Like my other series, I never gave them a name, but they were all glitter based. So like everything was, I like glitter. Everything had a lot of glitter in it. So, but these are all clear, no glitter, except for, no, this one here. This foot, these paw prints, these are cat print, puppy prints, whatever you want to do. They're just generic paw prints. So if you have a love for animals, I'll be doing this plus cat mom, dog mom, circular ones, and I could probably do them in hearts too, but I have to figure out the sizes and stuff like that because it's difficult. So anyway, they're called Candy because they reminded me of Jolly Ranchers, like the color of them. Oh, I just covered all that up, and I think I might do some clears. So if you can tell, since it doesn't have anything in it, they're kind of see-through, and they have that, they don't have the texture, not the texture, but they have like the look of candy to me. Like I want to eat this because it looks like candy and it makes me want a Jolly Rancher real bad. So of course bats. So bats, footprints, feet prints, paw prints, whatever you want to call it. Cat mom, dog mom, and then I might redo my Bite Me ones without any glitter because maybe people didn't like the glitter in them. I don't know. And I also might just do the basics of these and then have the ability to do a custom keychain. And I didn't offer it, and so maybe people were like, oh, I don't like these. These are not my colors. So I think I might start adding custom capabilities to my orders, if that makes sense. So you can pick out your, your bats or your paw prints or your glitters or your whatever, but I don't know how to do it quite yet, so I have to go over and figure everything out. And also sorry if I'm like blurry all of a sudden because like I said, new lens, maybe I didn't say it. New lens, so I'm figuring out my space. Yes, my space-time continuum. I'm figuring out where I need to be at, and sometimes I move a lot, and that's my chair creaking. That's not me, I promise. I have to figure out where I need to be at. So, love my new lens. It was my Mother's Day gift, and I'm trying it out. This is my first video with it, so if you like it, give that a thumbs up so I know that you guys like it. And I'm also talking to my element, so I apologize for that because I'm trying to get through this as fast as I can. The next thing is I might be doing these little wallets here. I keep forgetting no autofocus. This is a manual focus only lens. Anyway, so I'm probably going to be doing these wallets. They're, I think, I want to call them like accordion wallets or whatever because that's what they look like to me. I'll back out and zoom in, or not zoom in, but show you on here. I am out of this material particular because this is my first prototype and the second one came out much better and I actually used the wallet, so I'm not going to show you that because it has all my cards in it, so I just don't want to whip that out and deal with that right now. But anyway, it has a snap button closure and has 3 little pockets. I didn't show the inside. It has 3 little pockets. And I think I will be releasing these, but only a few, and they're probably all going to be Halloween themed because I don't really have much of the other like leathers, and the other leathers I have are not as sturdy as this. Like they're real flimsy, so I don't think they would hold up real well. and this has a little bit of what is it, like, they're just sturdier. They're not flimsy, like I just said. They have a nice feel to them. They feel like a wallet. They don't feel like a piece of material that's supposed to look like leather, if that makes sense. Anyway, I think that's all I have to show you guys. I thought I had some more. I guess I really don't. That's pretty much what has been going on. Not a whole lot, but a lot at the same time. Just been busy, and I want to record more videos. I want to do more things, but I really don't have a whole lot of ideas right now, and I don't know, with there being so many resin videos on here, with a lot of people doing resin, I forgot what I was saying. With a lot of people doing resin pours and videos and doing like time-lapse stuff on there, I don't really know that people want to see that, or if you like that kind of things. If you like that kind of things, give me a I don't know, something. Say, yes, we love watching resin pours, or I like watching people work on resin work. I like watching them, but I don't know that me doing them is good for my channel, if that makes sense. Like, I don't want to keep repeating what other people are doing. I kind of want to do something new and fresh, but I don't know. I don't know if that makes any sense to any of you guys, but it does to me. That's it. That's all I got to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it wasn't a whole lot. Sorry I'm talking a mile a minute. I will show you guys these up close if I haven't already, which I probably have because editor me would have already put in little clips. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I hope you have a wonderful time, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!